Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 MG ZS, stock model 6796. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the current shape. It has an AZS1 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the AZS1 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,